Convergence Zone or ITCZ is an area near the equator where the northeast trade winds from northern hemisphere and the southeast trade winds from southern hemisphere meet. This convergence creates a zone of low pressure which leads to the formation of clouds, showers, and thunderstorms. The ITCZ is a key feature in global weather patterns as it brings significant rainfalls and influences climate conditions in tropical regions. Pag-asa report that the Intertropical Convergence Zone or ITCZ will affect Palawan and Mindanao, leading to cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. In Cagayan, Isabela, Apayao, and Kalinga, the shear lines will cause cloudy skies with rain. The Ilocos region and the rest of Cordillera Administrative Region in Cagayan Valley will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated light rains. Metro Manila and the rest of the country will experience partly cloudy skies with isolated rain showers due to localized thunderstorms. Pag-asa says the Intertropical Convergence Zone or ITCZ will affect the weather conditions in Palawan and Mindanao. According to its latest update, there will be cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms in Palawan, Caraga, Davao de Oro, and Davao Oriental due to ITCZ. The shear lines will bring cloudy skies with rain in Cagayan, Isabela, Apayao, and Kalinga. There will be partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated light rains in the Ilocos regions in the rest of Cordillera Administrative Regions and Cagayan Valley. Meanwhile, Metro Manila and the rest of the country will have partly cloudy skies with isolated rain showers due to localized thunderstorms. And here's the weather updates.